Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2024, 25, 26 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from the Wipro, and they are hiring for the role of junior engineer. So job location is Pune, Maharashtra, and you can go through the job roles and description. So the purpose of this role is to design, develop and troubleshoot solutions. So you will design and develop solution as per client specifications, work on different software like CAD, CAE to develop appropriate model, and you can go through complete things. Okay, so I will also provide all the job apply link in the description so you can go through it. Coming to next important things, that is they are hiring QA freshers, so freshers can apply, and if you have some knowledge of manual and automation and AI, then this is a great basically opportunity. Everyone should apply. So eligibility criteria: BE, BTech, MCA, BCA, MSc or equivalent, all are eligible, and freshers up to 1 year experience are eligible. Minimum GPA that is required is 8.0. So if you have this amount of CGPA, then I will suggest share your resume to this mail ID. Coming to next important opportunity, and Spantech Technology hiring the global provider of digital business. So freshers plus 2 years experience are eligible. So if you have done some internship and things in Salesforce, and if you have exposure to Apex, SOQL and Lightning Web Component, that is LWC, so if you are interested, you can share resume to this contact number or mail ID. And friends, I have already provided you update related to the IDFC First Bank. So they are hiring the cybersecurity analyst, junior analyst, and freshers are eligible. So I will suggest everyone should apply. And IGSC Bank hire program is also going on. So these are two of the important hiring still going on. I will suggest everyone you should apply. And if you have been selected for any interview, and if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can schedule with us by filling the mock interview form. Coming to next important opportunity from Honeywell, they are hiring the data management specialist 1. So if you have interest in data management, data security, then this is the important role. So you will have this kind of responsibility. You will monitor and optimize data process and workflow, stay updated on industry. So what is the qualification? So 0+ year experience means freshers are eligible to 2024, 2025 batch can apply for this important opportunity, and bachelor degree in computer science or data management required. So you should have bachelor degree in these area, then only you can apply. And if you have some experience with data quality or data cleaning, then you can also apply. Coming to next important opportunity from the AMD, they are hiring software development engineer. Job location is Bangalore. So you can go through the roles and responsibility. You will be responsible to develop and drive execution comprehensive and familiarity with GPU programming and knowledge or experience using Python, C++. So if you have done, if you have knowledge on all these things, then you can apply. Okay, and bachelor degree in computer science or related field are required for this hiring. That is the AMD. And last important program that is for freshers too. So ICICI Bank Aspire program, and all graduates either from BTech, BCA, MCA, MBA, all graduates are eligible for this, and salary package up to 5 LPA. So I've already provided you detailed video related to this. So I will suggest go to this and must apply as soon as possible, because this one is important hiring, and they hire usually lots of candidates for this important opportunity. So I really post lots of important job update. So if you want, you can subscribe us. And these are the sub important hiring for 2026 pass out batch, that is from the IBM Ivalua. So if you haven't gone through video, go and apply. And friend, main thing that I want to tell, keep applying for the job. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.